Welcome back to my coverage of the Waves Aquatic Centre redevelopment. This is episode 14, recorded on the 29th of January 2022. Here's what's changed in the 4 weeks since my last update. Number 1. Work on the splash pad structure has progressed. Number 2. Roofing over the outdoor amenities area has started. Number 3. Tiling for the 25 and 50 metre pools is complete. Number 4. Clubhouse walls and roof are being installed. And number 5. In the rose garden, work has started on replacing the timber garden bed boundaries with rock. This video is best viewed on something larger than a phone, such as a tablet, notebook or desktop computer. As usual, in this video I'll run the drone around the perimeter of the site to show you the current status and then compare the video from this episode with the last so you can see the differences. Remember to have a look at the video description for more information, particularly if you want to view the very high-resolution drone maps I prepare for each episode. You can download the maps and then zoom in on those areas of particular interest to you. I've also included links to the architect plans for the new Aquatic Centre. These have been on the Hills Shire website for some time now, so they may not be up to date. However, the construction work completed so far fits quite well with these plans. If you find this video interesting, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Just before I show you the construction site, here's some footage of the adjacent Alfred Henry Whaling Memorial Reserve showing clubs setting up for an athletics carnival. Over the last few days, our Hills Shire Council has meticulously prepared the 400 metre oval track, 2 100 metre straight tracks, a long jump pit, shot put and discus cages, and the javelin area. Now, over to the drone circuit of the construction site, and then the side-by-side comparison. No more commentary from here on, just the sound of nature I recorded in the rose garden.